welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It's still me here, Josie Nnadi, your real estate therapist. On here, I give you information about real estate that will help you make informed real estate decisions, especially when it comes to investing in real estate here in Nigeria. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to know anytime I drop a new video. So today we'll be talking about how to invest in real estate here in Nigeria the right way. How can you invest in real estate? Okay, before I go on to that, I want to clear this. So there is a difference between buying real estate and investing in real estate. So when you are buying real estate, you are buying to build and live where you bought. But when it comes to investing in real estate, you are investing for a profit. So if your goal is to invest in real estate for a profit, then there are some things you just have to neglect and some things you have to consider before buying any piece of property you want to invest in. Okay, there are 5 critical steps you should take before investing in real estate in Nigeria, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this very video. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you get the whole gist of our conversation. You don't want to miss any point. You don't. So let me see you at the end. All right. Also, the first thing you want to do is you want to analyze your investment goals. Okay, you want to get a clear goal of investing in real estate. So if you don't have a reason to invest, then don't even go into invest. Okay, so before you even plan on buying any property, you have to actually analyze your goal, your investment goal, your financial objectives and all of that before going into really know the kind of property you want to buy. So from analyzing your goal, like I always say in my videos, you have to really have an investment goal. You have to have an investment goal before even thinking about investing in real estate. So it's from this goal you now know the kind of property you want to buy. Do you want to invest in lands or building, depending on your investment goal? Alright, so this will equally help you know the best location that suits your investment goal. So everything starts with you really drafting out your intention. That's the goal of your real estate investment. This will help you in other decision making, so you make the best decision, okay, even in the properties you buy or in the locations you invest in, depending on your goal. So you really have to think about it and think about it deeply. Are you investing for a futuristic goal, that's a long-term goal that will take 5-10 years, or are you investing for a middle-term goal or a short-term goal? You should really get this in check first before going on to the next step. So the second thing you want to do is actually forecast the location you've decided to invest in. So from your goals, from making your goals, you will now decide the best location that would suit your investment goal. Then you go on to really forecast that location. A good real estate investor should be a good real estate forecaster. You have to really predict the future of that location. From what you are seeing around, you can predict the average property price of the location in a specific period of time. Okay, depending on the improvements there, the developments going in there, people investing there, the kind of buildings are coming up there, and all of that, the commercial activities going on there, that would really help you to actually decide if this is the real or the best location for you. Because every goal has a time limit. Every smart goal is timely, right? So depending on the time you specify for a particular goal, when you forecast a location, then it will help you know if this particular location would suit the timing for your investment. Okay, so that is why you should really go into forecast the location that you are planning on investing to decipher if it's the best location for you. If not, you have options that you can weigh and then know the best to go in for. Okay, so the third thing you want to do when you're done forecasting is actually to go in to search. Okay, you've made your investment goal, you've decided the kind of properties you want to start investing in. If it's landed properties or houses or off-plan properties. So when you're done doing that, you forecasted the locations that you would think they deemed fit for the investment, and then you've decided on the one to really invest in. Then the next thing you want to do is search the properties. Yeah, you want to search for legit properties. You want to search for properties with good title documents and properties that can have the ability to appreciate fast. Okay, properties that suit your budget. Properties that suit the investment goal for which you are investing in real estate, even in the first place. Okay, so when you're done doing that, then you have to really search the proper. Like if you've decided to buy this particular property, then you go in to really do due diligence on the property that you've decided to buy. Okay, so that is it. You have to really take your time. So that's why I say, if anyone is rushing you to invest in real estate, man, that's a red flag. Because real estate is a decision you take your time to do. So you make the best of it, okay? So you really have to take your time to search properties from head to toe. You can consult a trusted real estate consultant to help you with that. But if you must do, then really get the whole information you need to have a diligent, like a due diligence that is up to date, very detailed searching. Okay, so that is it. So when you're done searching the property and conducting a detailed due diligence on the property you want to buy, then the next thing you have to do is to go in and then purchase with your peace of mind, because you've already done the whole searching and you know this is perfect for you. Okay, so that is it. You have to now go on and purchase the property with good title documents. You know, when it comes to investing in real estate, location is not really the problem, because no matter how far a property is, that property will still appreciate once real estate is concerned. But you see, when you buy a bad title document, a property with not so good title document, that's where the whole problem starts. Okay, so you have to actually buy properties and then you perfect the title documents of that property. Perfect it to get the best of its title documents. If you purchase a deed of assignment property, then you perfect it to the level of governor's consent, which is as good as C of O property. Okay, so and if you purchase a C of O property, then be sure that you have your whole transfer documents of ownership and all of that. Perfect your title, so that in the eyes of the government and in the eyes of the law, you are the legit owner of this property. Anytime, anything, any day, come rain, come sunshine, it is you that they know that owns this property for sure. Because you're still going to wait for your property to appreciate, and you don't want a situation where you want to sell your property and you're getting stories upon stories. Okay, so that's it. You now go on, purchase, and then perfect the title documents of the property you've purchased. Okay, when you're doing these 4 basic things, then the next thing you want to do, or the next step you should follow, is to actually improve your property. So here is the beauty of real estate. Real estate will never, do you know what is never depreciate in value? But here you actually have to increase the value of the worth of your property. Okay, so this is the beauty of the real estate. If you buy a piece of land, an empty piece of land, if you put one block in that property, in that land, the price of that land has appreciated. No matter anything you do in that land to improve it makes the price of the property appreciate. So you can buy an empty land today at 1.5 million naira and just build a fence around it, and the value is over 2.5 million naira. Yeah, that is how it works. The value of the property keeps increasing as you keep improving the property. So you don't just wait around. You can just like one time just go and do the fencing of the property. The next time you do the gates, you understand? The next time you just put lights. Next time you just keep on improving the property, improving it to increase the value of that property. Even as the normal landed property in that area increases in value, your own increases even much more because you've had some level of improvement in that property. So that's the next thing you should do. Improve your property and then wait and let your investment mature so you can sell it out and make your profit, or you can build on it and earn rental income, cash flow as long as you want, and then sell it out. So real estate is just beautiful. It gives you the leverage of making money, increasing your wealth, sustaining your wealth, and the wealth of your generation to come. So that's the beauty of this investment, real estate. And now that is in Nigeria, now that is still very early in Nigeria, the early players are actually reaping a huge return on investment. So what are you waiting for? I hope you've gotten a lot of value to now go on and invest in real estate as much as you want here in Nigeria. If you have any other enquiries you want to make or any other question you want to ask about real estate in Nigeria, don't forget to drop it on the comment section. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification so you'll be the first person to know anytime I drop a new video. Be sure I'll be dropping a lot for you. Alright, till then, I'm still rooting for you and wanting you to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel motivates me to do more videos, you guys. When I see you subscribing, I'm motivated to keep on giving the content, giving real estate value, real estate information, and information that will help you make informed real estate decisions once investing in Nigeria and in Enugu state is concerned. All right, so till I see you next time, don't forget to like this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and turn on your beautiful notification. And your real estate therapist is always rooting for you for your wealth creation. All right, till next time, bye bye.